how to fix your Valorant not available in region. The first thing you want to do is check official region status. You can go to playvalorant.com/in US news/game updates and check if Valorant is available in your region. You can also use a supported region account, create a Riot account using the supported country or region because you cannot play from unsupported region. Do not use VPN whatsoever because it is not allowed at all. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and restart your client or your PC, or you could also check your payment method and store region. At the end, what I want to tell you is that if you do not have Valorant available in your region, you won't be able to play. But if you are on the region, but if it is still available in your region and you're still facing problems, simply go to support.riotgames.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.